Hey everyone, Eric Whitley, and welcome back to another L2L tips and tricks video. Hey, it's Friday afternoon, and you just learned that you need to run the production line tomorrow on overtime, and you need to go schedule that production line. L2L has made that very simple to do. Simply going to go into production. You're going to go into the production calendar. You're going to go find that day that you need to run in that line. So let's say you need to schedule this particular production line for a Saturday. It's very simple. You just grab a hold of the schedule for Friday, drag it over to Saturday. It's going to copy that production schedule over to Saturday. And now you can come in and run that production line tomorrow on that particular line. So very simple drag and drop feature here on L2L for production planners to follow. Really easy way to schedule your production line and your whole area if you need to. So, hey, if you'd like to learn more about L2L's production planning and scheduling tools, if you'd like to learn more about our production module as well, go follow us on all of our social media platforms on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and you can go watch these videos over on YouTube as well. If you want to learn more in detail, go to L2L.com and sign up for a free demo. We do them every month. You can just join in and watch, and no obligation. Okay. So anyways, thanks for joining me. Eric Whitley signing out.